A flag is not just a tricolor cloth, but the history, dreams and hearts of the entire nation. And this is the flag of the Shan people. The Shan flag, or the Shan state flag, is a symbol of pride for the Shan people, who are descendants of an ancient culture in the high mountains of eastern Myanmar. This flag consists of three primary colors arranged horizontally: yellow, green and red, with a pure white circle in the center. But these are not just ordinary colors. Yellow reflects the light of Buddhism, the spiritual prosperity deeply embedded in the hearts of the Shan people. Green represents the fertility of the land, where the people live in a relationship with nature. Red represents the blood of bravery, fighting and sacrifice to preserve their identity. The white circle in the center symbolizes the purity, unity and the hope of the Shan people for true peace and freedom. Today, the Shan flag still waves over the hearts of our descendants. It is a symbol that reminds us that identity and faith never fades away, because as long as the flag is waving, hope still lives on. The Shan flag, the pride of the land, the faith of the people.